We are a source manufacturer of packaging machinery from China. We develop and produce a variety of intelligent packaging equipment. The fully automatic small bag packaging line is perfect for the independent packing of various powders, granules, and liquids in the food and medical industries. For the beverage market, our 3D triangle bags and drip coffee machines seamlessly integrate inner and outer bag packaging to lock in fresh flavors. Our innovative hidden tea cup packaging machine effortlessly seals tea leaves at the bottom of the cup for on-the-go brewing. Additionally, our fully automatic canning line and intelligent film sealing equipment ensure accurate filling, while making your products waterproof, dust-proof, and looking premium. Want to know the best packaging method for your product? Leave a comment.